All right, guys. So as you see, I'm not here this morning, and I'm so sorry. I had to take Patrick to the doctor. But let me go over the directions with you. So this says that you're going to use the order of operations to evaluate, meaning, remember, to solve. So that also means to solve, okay? Then you need to use your order of operations. And as you see, it's helping you. It's kind of guiding you through it to solve them. So you're, in a way, you're filling in the blanks. So you're showing your work at each step to come up with a final solution. And this point, you'll have a quotient here, a product here, and a difference here, okay? Numbers 4 through 6, you need to evaluate each expression. Remember, evaluate also means to solve. Now, when you are solving, you need to show your steps. There's enough space, okay, between here to show your steps. If you don't remember how to show your steps, look at your notes because I demonstrated how to show steps in our notes. Remember over here that brackets are just like parentheses. So you'll do this parentheses and then whatever this product is, you'll add it to this, okay? Just remember that. So you're going to solve it. Number 7, 8, and 9, I want you to skip for now. If that makes you happy, just whoop, whoop, and a whoop, okay? Okay, so that is what you're going to do there. Now, if you want to skip down to number 10, I will talk through these and help you get to the point where you can solve it on your own. It says Nikki's backyard is in the shape of a rectangle. The length is 27 feet. The width is 1/3 the length plus 4 feet. Write and evaluate an expression to find the area of Nikki's backyard. So let's talk about this. So it's in the shape of a rectangle. So I'm going to come over here and draw a rectangle, okay? And they said, what's important here, okay? So first I know rectangles, kind of like what we did yesterday. The length is 27 feet. So I'm going to put 27 feet, okay? Now, the width, okay, my length is 27. The width is 1/3 the length plus 4. So it would be, watch how I do this. The width is 27 divided by 3, okay? Or, here, we'll do this. We'll do this. 27 divided by 3 plus 4. That's what this side is, and that's what my length is. Okay? But the question is, or the direction is to write and evaluate an expression to find the area of Nikki's backyard. Now we got to remember, how do we find area? So area equals length times width. I sure do hope you are writing everything down with me. So length times width, okay? So we're going to say length, 27, times, and all this is my width, 27 divided by 3 plus 4. Now here's the thing, friends. If we do order of operations as we know right now, we will end up adding 4 at the end. And here's the thing. We want to multiply 27 times all of this. So that's where we want to add parentheses. So now, you can work it out on the side or whatever. You need to do the parentheses first, then multiply, and that will give you your area. And remember, our area needs to be feet squared. So make sure you put feet squared for your unit of measurement at the end. Number 11, I love these. Make sense and persevere. Write a numerical expression with at least 3 operations that has the same value as this right here. Okay, so we might do that together. Circle it for now. I might have to come back and do that one with you. Okay, I'm trying to give you some things you can do without me. Let's look at number 12. Ivy's basketball team scored 38 points in the first game of the season. In the next 2 games, they scored a total of 77 points. For every point scored, 50 cents is put in a jar to use for a party after the season. Ivy says that you can use the expression 38 plus 77 times 5/10 to find how much money is in the jar after the third game. Now, is she correct? Okay, so here is the thing. We're going to rewrite this problem real quick. So she's saying 38 plus 77 times 5/10 or 50 cents really. Just like that this is going to give us how much money. And so I want you to think about this with me, okay? These numbers right here, we have to remember, what do these numbers represent? Well, 38 points and 77 points, right? And for every point scored, it's 50 cents. So these are my points. So I need to know my points before I can multiply for my money, okay? So, well, booger britches. So here's the question. Look what I did and look what she did. I'm so sorry you hear that. What was wrong with hers? Tell me that. What was wrong with hers? Number 13, a printing error in a math book removed the brackets and parentheses from a numerical expression. Rewrite the expression with parentheses so that it equals 69. So what you're going to do is 3 to the power 2 plus 7 times 4 plus 5 equals 69. I'm going to challenge you on this one, okay? See if you can do that. Now, we're just doing the front side today, just the front side. If you finish this, do not turn it in, okay? Keep it because we're going to do the back side tomorrow, Friday. And I'm so sorry I'm not with you this morning, but I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.